Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick tip for those of you that are building some kind of flight control system using Ardupilot, typically using Mission Planner. Now, I've done loads of video series. I've put links down below. I'm not going to go through that, but I will add this video into those series because it's a very common question that I get. And although I have covered this within those series, I haven't made a separate video on it for quite a while. And that's specifically, how do you troubleshoot arming when you have all the model together and you're trying to get it to work? Now, there are a couple of things before I show you how to do that easily. I would always recommend setting it up on the bench before you install it into the model, making sure that you go through the process that I show in my series. Going through that process will get you to the end and it will all work. It's the way that works every time for me. So check out those videos. If you're struggling, you've probably missed a step. Now, the way to actually check what is stopping you from arming is very simple. Mission Planner will tell you exactly what the problem is, and that allows you to then go on the internet and search for that specific error. What you do is take the props off the model, power it all up, let it get a 3D lock as you would normally, plug it into your computer and start Mission Planner and connect to it. While you're connected to it, try and arm the model. And here in the top left hand corner where the artificial horizon is, it will tell you the exact error that is stopping it from arming. It might be that there's no RC signal, it might be that the GPS hasn't got a lock, it could be some weird AHRS issue or something else. Whatever the error message is that appears in that little window in the top left hand corner, go into Google and Google Ardupilot and then put that specific error exactly in your search bar, and you will find articles and people who have already had it, fixed it, and they'll tell you exactly how to sort it out. There are some common gotchas and I cover those in those series. Again, links down below. If you are new to this stuff and you're struggling, I would strongly recommend that you go and watch those video series. Once you've set up a couple of these kind of flight controllers, or maybe an omnibus or a Maytech wing with Ardupilot, it becomes pretty easy. First 1 or 2 times can kind of kick your butt a little bit. But that's the trick. If you are not sure why it isn't arming and you can't get it to arm, it isn't happy, just plug it into Mission Planner with everything powered up. Again, remove your props for safety, and our Mission Planner will absolutely tell you exactly why there's a problem. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.